In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 things I really like about this 2025 Embassy RV Dolphin SS Class B RV built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Oh yeah. I'm going to also share one thing I think they could have done differently, and I'm going to share one thing that I'm really missing from my Winnebago Travado 59 GL that I've been traveling in VanLife since October of 2018. We're going to start outside, then we're going to jump inside. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let's go. Now we're going to start outside because the exterior is vastly different than what I am used to, and it'll make sense about what I'm missing about my van. So again, this is on the Ram ProMaster 3500. This is not the extended edition. It is, however, the 3500 series, as you can see right there. It's pretty stealthy. You wouldn't really know that it's an RV, save for maybe the air conditioner unit up on top. But other than that, there's no real giveaways hidden in plain sight that it's an RV. That's what I wanted to show you on the outside. Let me show you the inside, the 5 things I really like about this. So this is a 3-part video series, a trilogy of videos about this Embassy Dolphin SS. I've had it now for 48 hours. I picked it up on Wednesday, February 26th. And this is now Friday afternoon. So I've gotten accustomed to it just enough to say what I really like and a few things, well, the one thing that I think they could do better. Let me get into the first thing right now. And the first thing that is just stunning is this NovaCool brand refrigerator. It goes from here all the way down here. It's a chest style freezer. Oh yeah, we're keeping the goods cold. But wait, there's more. Look at the size of this fridge. This is a 15-pack of 16-ounce pints of my favorite beer currently, which is Coors Banquet. And look at all this room. This is a gallon of water. This is an entire rotisserie chicken. All of this in a 6.8 cubic foot fridge. Even my fridge doesn't even match this. That's the first thing I really appreciate on this Dolphin SS. The next thing that I really appreciate is hidden in plain sight too. Yeah, it's the floor. What I find so amazing about this, unlike my Travado, which has a piece of plywood glued to the floor, this is composite flooring with residential, I think it's 20-year, certainly 10, Congolium. And there is no echo, there's no bounce, there's no squeaks. It's just been the most amazing thing. And as important as all that is, the thermodynamics is superb compared to what I am used to. What do I mean? The night I picked this up, it got down to about 38 degrees outside. It was pretty comfy inside, but what I was really surprised by in the morning, the floor was not cold. I was expecting that because my Travado floor gets cold when it's that cold outside. There's no hydronic floor heating system. It's just this massive proprietary floor material that Embassy RV uses, and it doesn't transfer the cold nor the heat coming from baking asphalt in the summer under the van, transfers into the cab at all. I was shocked at how comfortable the floor was. Oh no, yeah, it has a heater too that runs off the gasoline from the engine. No propane, no wood, no black tank in an Embassy RV. Next item. The next item is right here. Again, kind of hidden in plain sight. I'm not sure I've ever seen this much horizontal work surface in a Class B RV before. Let me measure this for you. From the cabinet top to the floor, we are looking at, let's call it 33 feet, so 36 inches. And deep, right back here to the backsplash, is 21 inches by, get ready for it, yeah, it's 50 inches wide. Now, the next time you're going to see a video, I'm going to have this all baked out the way I like to live in it, because I'm going to be in this very van from end of February 2025 until the beginning of June 2025. So again, you don't want to miss a single minute of any of the videos I'm doing in travel, tours, and all kinds of stuff around this Embassy Dolphin SS. Apparently I have a few to-dos still yet to go today. So this to me is just such valuable space. I'm using the couch where you are sitting, standing. as the bed. So the SS floor plan is this: a cabinet, one sofa bed. The S model is sofa bed, sofa bed. Got it? All right, next item. And the next item is the build quality. I've been in a lot of different rigs over the years, and this one is vastly different because, again, there's no wood. Everything is screwed and glued together. There was not a single squeak. I picked this up when it had 72 miles. It now has close to 1,000. And there's not a single thing squeaking in here. And again, the fit and finish is just amazing. No wood, no staples, marine grade plastics and vinyl. And the build quality is just superb, an A to A+. And I was afraid it was going to be a little sterile feeling, but I don't get that feeling at all. I love the white cabinetry. I love the just off-white soft vinyl surfaces, ceiling, a little splash of color, and it's really, really handsome. The windows do not open on this particular model. That is an option. However, there is a ceiling fan pulling in cool air from the built-in ventilation system, which is pretty great. More on that in the tour video, which is coming out shortly. The next thing I really appreciate is this, and that is this completely connected, whoa, that shadow's terrible, C-zone system. So what this is an Embassy working with Mastervolt to come up with all of the different buttons. Sorry about that glare there. Maybe if I pull this down. Better? A little better. This is where all the systems are, including battery. Lithium system is standard. Oh, I feel the cool air coming off of this. This is real nice. All the lights are controlled here, and the tank situation is right here. I think we just saw it. Right here. There we go, Scott. So traditional RV freshwater tank, I think it's close to 30 gallons, and gray water, I believe it's close to 20 gallons. And I've really appreciated this, but wait, there's more. But wait, that's control panel number 1. There's a control panel back here on the sink. And what's cool is there's a control panel on your iPad. Now this is iPad only right now. It's always on with the Wi-Fi. There's a router inside that talks just to the app. This isn't, you can't really do anything other than launch the app. It gets connected, and now you can run all of this from your iPad, which is pretty awesome. Coming soon to iPhone, I am told. And for example, we can move the sofa right from this button out or in. Yeah, it's pretty awesome to control this while you're laying in bed. Super great. So you're probably wondering, Scott, what's one thing you would want to see changed, and what do you miss most about your van? Thanks for asking. Let me show you. It too is kind of hidden in plain sight. It's right over here. And that is this. There is no illumination in the cab. What I am used to is a light strip that goes across this. That has 2 modes, kind of low and then high intensity. Because there's no illumination up here in the cab, this is pretty dark in the evening. What I'd like to see is an implementation similar to what maybe Rotec has. They have these style lights right here that are placed in the ceiling of the cab, one there, one here. I would really like to see that, or some kind of a light strip that goes across here. I think this would make this a living space much more inviting in the evening, because right now it's pretty dark. So I'll mention that to the team at Embassy RV. These are built in Elkhart. Again, unlike any other van on the market today, no wood, no black tank, no awning, no solar, no kitting, no propane, HOA friendly. You saw how stealthy it is. We're gonna jump outside. I'm gonna give you one thing I miss about my van. If you want to learn more about Embassy RV, go to embassyRV.com. Tell them Scott from Go Small Live Large sent you. That means a lot to both of us and you too. They'll take really good care of you. And again, I'm in this for the next 3 months. So we've got a lot of travel coming up in this van. You can live vicariously through me and see how I live in a very different floor plan. Again, 2 more videos being released around this. a very in-depth tour with technical spec pop-out and overnighting in this very van. My very first night, well, probably my second or third night at this point. But let me jump outside and I'll show you what I miss most about my Winnebago Travato 59 GL. And that is, this is a pretty plain looking van. I'm gonna put a picture here of what my van looks like in case you have not seen it before. What I didn't get from this van driving from Indiana to now Georgia into Florida tomorrow is all the cool looks on the van. So my van, I got the tire, the ladder, the bike rack, a big old box. I've wrapped it, I've lifted it, so it looks really tough. It looks like an adventure van. I got lights on the front, a brush guard. So it looks like what people would kind of assume to be VanLife adventure van. So what I didn't get is all the thumbs up, the smiles, the waves, because this is a pretty, like a limousine looking van or a catering van. Nobody knows what's going on inside. They certainly don't know it's really a motorhome. Unlike mine, it looks like an adventure van. So that's what it is for the next 3 months. Thank you so much for watching this highlights of the Dolphin SS floor plan. It's an honor to have you watch this with me. Again, my name is Scott Watson, Go Small, Live Large. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m., we get together on the What's Up Wednesday VanLife show and talk through issues that we have on van life, and it'd be an honor to have you join us free, 7 p.m. Eastern on Wednesdays. Until we see you soon, we like to say get your journey on if you haven't already, and peace be with you. We'll see you soon.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in.